Hello guys. Good morning. Guess what time it is? 1 o'clock na sa hapon. And I haven't even started studying yet for my exam tomorrow. I mean this day. Tapos ang exam ko tomorrow, hindi siya minor subject, hindi siya what? It's the MS. Like yung med-surg. Anyways, come cram with me guys. Ma-vlog ako sa nga akong cram. Diba? Bisan ma-cram ko ya. Ma-vlog mo ko gyapon. Diba? Naisipan ko pa mag-vlog in the middle of this crisis. Charet. Tapos wait lang, naisipan ko, maligo ko or madiretso na lang ko toon. Kaya medyo na-stress na ito ko Like, kung ako pala nahon ko. Should I ligo or should I just go study? Hindi ko man kabahon, so hindi ko na maligo. Bye! Oh my god, so it's getting late. Dumagabi na I mean, dugadulong na gani. Can I do this? Crash out na ko. Wala pa ko tapos. Pero sige lang, kaya. Wala pa ko finish. Bali, ma-break ko dinner, freshen up, and everything. And see you again later. Anyways, I don't moisturize the nice on your face. It's nice and moisturized. It's time to moisturize our lips because you don't like dry lips, you know? Diba? Moisturized ka lang. Diba? My break time is done, so I'm gonna start cramming again. Lala talaga yung cramming. Before I said na I'm gonna start studying ASAP. Pero yan, nandito ako nagka-cram. Come cram with me! Charging my phone because it's very low battery. Mapatay na siya in a minute. I'm gonna be finishing the rest of the topics I need to review for my exam tomorrow, and after that I'm gonna sleep maybe around 2 a.m. Yeah, maybe around that time or earlier. Hopefully pasado sa MS na to. As in, I need to finish this tanay so that I can sleep. And mag-sleep na din kayo. Chare. And yeah. Thanks for watching. And yeah, thanks for coming with me. Or thanks for coming with me. Wait, ako